Hey guys, welcome to another Solopreneur Finance tutorial. In this video, we are going to do a review about the Empower budgeting app. So, the Empower is a free personal finance and budgeting tools aimed at people who want a more comprehensive view of their financial health. It goes beyond simple budgeting, offering investment tracking, net worth calculation, retirement planning, and even access to financial advisors. It is going to be for only premium users, the last one, which is going to be at the access for the financial advisors. Now, let's talk about the key features of the Empower. So basically, it is going to have the budgeting tools, which is going to be found on the financial tools. We're going to have here this menu. We're going to select budgeting and cash flow, and it is going to be in here. So all you need to do is to click on get started, and you're going to select one of the plans that you have in here. We have three plans. We have the retirement plan, the dashboard, and the individual account. The budgeting app or the budgeting tool is going to be available in those two, and also for the retirement. So you're going to select one of those if you're not going to be concerned with the retirement, and then you're going to be good to go. Let's talk a little bit about the key features. The budgeting tools, which is going to be the more important one in this video, is going to let you set spending limits across all the categories that you're going to find. Or also, it is going to let you track spending by seeing where their money goes, set saving goals to keep their spending in check, and also stay on budget to ensure they are going to be closer to meeting their goals or your budget. So also it is going to track the transactions automatically from your linked accounts, all the accounts that are going to link it, of course, from the third-party apps. And it is going to have a monthly cash flow and expense summaries. Now, the second key feature it is going to be the net worth tracking. So it is going to let you aggregate all financial accounts, basically the bank, the credit, the loans, investments, mortgage, and etc. And it has a real-time view of the total net worth of yours, of course. The third key feature is going to be the investment tracker, which is going to let you analyze asset allocations, risk, fees, and performance. Also, it is going to allow you to see the benchmarks for your portfolio against the major indices. Now, they have also a retirement planner, which is going to let you models the retirement readiness based on the current saving and spendings. And also, it is going to be on the account that you're going to create, but it is going to be a separate one. As you can see, you can go ahead and access the retirement plan right here by putting another thing in here. So it is going to be a retirement plan and also another platform that will help you a lot to set up the retirement, also IRAs, the Roth, the assets, and the 401k. So let's talk about the security of the platform. Basically, they have the AES 256 encryption or 256 encryption. They have the two-factor authentication, and also they have the read-only data access, so no funds can be moved aside from the app. Now for the mobile and web app, because we have a mobile and also a web app within Empower, it is going to be available on iOS, Android, and web browsers. It is going to let you synchronize data seamlessly across all the devices that you own, as soon as you are going to get an account into all of the platforms that you have. Now let's talk about the pros that we have in the specific app in here, or the platform itself. It is going to be completely free, so no cost for the core features like the budgeting, tracking, etc. Also, it is going to be very comprehensive, or having a very comprehensive view, which is going to be great if you want to track everything in one place, like cash, debt, investment, and retirements. Also, it is going to have a strong investment analysis, one of the best free tools for analyzing portfolios and retirement goals. And finally, they have the clean UI, as you can see. So it is going to be an intuitive dashboard with clear visuals and insights, of course. Here I cannot basically have a access to the dashboard because I have some region restrictions, but I think that it is going to be let's say here, available for your region as soon as you are going to have the account set up and see. Now, let's talk about the cons or the bad things that you're going to face up on the platform. Basically, It is not going to be budgeting only. It's more of a financial planner than a pure budgeting. So if you're going to have the financial tools, everything is going to be in here. So when you are going to click on view all, it is not going to be only a budgeting app, but only a financial tool. So here it is going to be a tool like the YNAB or every dollar like the other platforms. So it is going to be financial. For the second one, or the second con, it is going to be the limitation for the customization. Basically, budgeting categories and features aren't as deep as some specialized apps. The wealth management is going to be upselling. The Empower will occasionally pitch you their paid financial advisor services if your portfolio is a large enough. So usually it is going to take about 100k plus in linked assets. So it is going to advise you to get the advisor. And also they have a no manual transaction entry. So you must link accounts. There is no way to track cash or unlink transactions manually. What is going to be this platform best for? Basically, it is going to be best for users who want to track spending, monitor net worth, and get serious about investing or retirement, all for free. So you're not going to be here pushed to have something to get paid, only the advisors. So it is not going to be ideal for people who want to envelope style budgeting or deep customization. Now let's jump into the conclusion. This app, or Empower Budgeting Tool, is an excellent all-in-one financial tracking app, especially for users who want a mix of budgeting, net worth monitoring, and investment tools. It is more robust than most free apps and ideal pick for users who want a big picture view of their financial life. If you are going to be heavily focused on just budgeting, like cash flow, planning, or zero-based budgets, you may want to look into apps like YNAB or Monarch Money. But for everything else, Empower hits a sweet spot and it is going to be free. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.